So I have the first coat down. Now I have to put a clear coat to seal it. But what I want to do also, I want to put the clear coat here and here so you could see how the clear coat looks. Again, I can roll it, or I can just take the oil a little bit. Make sure this is already mixed. When you take the oil, you mix it really, really good. Make sure there's nothing on top. Mix everything in there. So all the photo initiators are mixed with the color. So now I take a clear oil. I burnish the oil, you see, and I go on top of this too. Now I got a lot of extra. As you see, you could see the little lines there, which is great. I want those lines. Then I will take a white pad and I will clean those lines, wipe the excess off, put your oil away, wear your glasses if you got the big light. And this one is not much generating light, but again, it's always better to wear it. So basically this is cured, okay? Now, I get a lot of questions. A lot of people will say, Avedis, when I touch it, it feels a little rough. So when you have your first coat, depends how rough it is. You can use either a maroon pad. This is 3M maroon. It's about equals, I think, 450 grit. And then there is a 3M gray pad, which is even finer, about 800-900. So you can take this, you can kind of burnish it like this. You see that white? That means you just burnished it. You could do it even with the gray if you want really, really fine. Then you put very little bit of the oil, very little bit. Look. You see how little I'm putting it? Almost nothing. You know why? I don't want thickness. I really don't want thickness because I already did. I have the thickness already. And then, really nice clean pad. Wipe everything off. Don't leave nothing. Because this is my chance to make this thing extremely smooth. So once I have that off, there's really nothing there left. I will go ahead and cure it. Again, I'm wearing this because imagine if you have the bigger light, this is necessary. You don't want to shine in your eyes or anybody else's eyes. Now, wow, I have a beautiful smooth area. So remember, if you feel a little rough between coats, hit the maroon pad. Depends what you're using it, what color or clear. Between pads, either maroon or gray pads. But after you use that, you put almost zero, like you're basically waxing it. Zero, so nothing left. You could even use a little bit of a towel with non-living fabric, wipe it off. So this way you could have a nice smooth area. That's the simple way to put this light, the oil. Take care, see you soon.